Good evening, everybody. This is a different time for me to be on live, but I'm going to do a live reveal of my latest design team project for the Happy Handicrafter. So I was using the kit that is linked in the description for the video. It is called Whispers of Wing and Petal, and there's a link for the kit and a 10% discount code as well. So here we go. I will show you the walkthrough. It's an accordion pocket with a journal. It's designed to be a journal maybe for a beginner or somebody that doesn't want to take the time to design all the pieces and all the parts for it. So it's just a journal that you can kind of just stick it all together. So it has all the parts and components you would need. So on the front, I'll show you the whole thing. So here is the front. There's a pocket here, and then the back there is a pocket here as well. And then I'll get to the inside in a second. So on the front, I have a pin with a lace and trims bundle that comes with it. So everything that I'm showing you right now will come with the completed journal, which will be listed in my coffee shop at some point in time. So here is the lace and trim bundle, and then there is another embellishment bundle in the side part that has some flowers and some lace appliques and things like that. In the front pocket, a lot of these pieces are finished, but there's also parts to work on things for yourself. So there's finished pieces and additions to do. So this is one of the pieces that you can add your own as you go. It's just a slide base, and you can add whatever you'd like to add to it. This is one of the printables that comes with the kit, and this is a completed slide that has a metal embellishment on it. And this piece in here is an over the page flip, journaling spot, whatever you like to call it. There is a charm on it as well, and there is some stamped images with embossing here as well. And then it's just a very basic journal inside, just using some of the digital papers, coffee dyed papers. So there's nothing fancy in here. This is, like I said, designed for you to be able to put it together yourself. The images on this are beautiful, but this was one piece that I added into it just so you'd have an idea of what to do with this other piece here. This is the digitals in this kit lend themselves beautifully to be taken apart and used instead of a whole page, used as parts. So this is one of those parts. So it's a flip on that side and then a little pocket tuck spot on that side. So you can do this similar with this piece here. And again, just more of the digital images, some form book pages, ledger pages, book pages, digitals. And then this is the center spread. This is one of the pages in the kit. It's beautiful. And then just flipping through the back, there is more of the same from the front. Love the images in this kit. So there's music paper and everything else. And then this is one of the pages. It's a butterfly, a moth. It's beautiful. So that is the cover on this journal. So we'll get into it. I'm going to flip it over and show you the back components first, and then we'll go inside. So these just sit on the back. There is a scrappy notepad with some lace and some digital pieces and scraps left over from the project. And then this is a vintage button with one of the fussy cut images decoupaged onto it, and there's cheesecloth and sewing. And then here is a timesheet that's been embellished with an embossed flower. And these are some vintage pages, a book page and a vintage receipt from one of our local places here. So whoever gets this is going to wind up with some vintage ephemera from my own community. There is a piece of really, really pretty vellum that's in it, and as well as a belly band that you would glue onto your page, and it would come out the top. So you would glue it at the top and the bottom. There is a little hidden tuck spot right here that's got a tag in it, that's got a ticket in it. And then you open it up, and then there's another thing, and then underneath it there is another image that's been put into it. So this is one of the pieces that comes with it. And then I will show you the inside of the folder. So it's closed with a snap, so there's the pocket on the front, the pocket on the back. Then when you open it up, it is an accordion folder that is full of little bits. A lot of it is handmade, completed ephemera pieces, and there are many pieces in here that are not completed as well. So I'm going to empty one pocket at a time so I know how to put it back together. So here is a journaling spot. that has images from the kit, as well as some sewing and some other fabric pieces, and it's a postcard. And this is the freebie from the kit. It's a stuffed pocket that I've taken some of the images from the full digital sheets and cut them down, tore them apart, and they make really good writing spots for inside the little pocket that's here. So there's all kinds of little goodies in here. And then there's some other things, other parts and pieces to journal on or do whatever you'd like with it. Then we go into the middle pocket that has even more goodies in it. And it has a little envelope paper clip to the side. I'm going to take it right off so I can show you. So this is one of the little envelopes that comes with the kit. And inside you will find some butterflies and some tabs and leftover pieces from the kit itself. There's labels, tabs, and butterflies in that piece. And then there is a bunch of pieces to put together. So there's tags, and there's journaling spots and some washi tapes, extra tags, little bits and pieces to put things together, and then another alteration tag. So there's those pieces in this pocket. This is another one of the images that I cut out from the kit. It is another slide that I put the butterfly in, and it's got cheesecloth and a label on it. And then this is another handmade, this was a junk mail envelope that has a cluster on it that has a 3D metal embellishment on it. I think I did this one in a video. And then there is the journaling card to go inside it. So that is that pocket. This is probably one of the most detailed works that I've done so far to date. I've done lots of books and stuff, but this is probably the most detailed one that I've done. So this pocket has more goodies in it, and it also has another one of the envelopes from the kit in it. And in this envelope is a piece from the kit itself. No, this is just a piece of coffee dye paper as a writing spot tucked into the envelope. And there is a paper clip to hold that one in place that has a little charm attached to it that's a little flower. So on this one side it's got an image from the kit, and then the other side it is another piece from the kit with a tag tucked into, with a couple of the tickets tucked right into the little tiny slot that's on the thing. So that's an over the page hidden paper clip that goes in there. And then there is, this was another piece that was cut off of one of the main images and turned into a little tuck spot that has a little journaling spot in it. So there's that piece, and then this is a piece of parchment paper that has been coffee dyed and whatever else, and I've sewn it shut, folded it in half to make it fit in the pocket, and it has extra pieces, butterflies, and some smaller butterflies in this side, and a flower. So there's all kinds of pieces to decorate it yourself. So that is the walkthrough for my final design team project for June. Next month it's on to new kits and new projects and new inspiration. So this is the final walkthrough for the the Whispers of Wing and Petal. Wow, speaking today is not my strong suit. So there you have it. There is my completed accordion folder that has the journal and all the parts and pieces to make your own journal. Hope everybody liked that one. Let me know what you think in the comments and what you'd like to see coming up on my channel. Thanks. Have a great evening, everybody. Bye.